Hi guys, welcome to this video with me, Riyad, your grooming guru, and today we're going to do a very simple and basic skincare routine that every gentleman should follow. There's so much grooming content out there, so I decided to just put together this very simple step-by-step video on what you should do when you're doing your average skincare routine. Okay, I've got my hands on a bunch of products that I've been trying out recently. So these are the Just Herbs products, and there's a whole range of products. I've got a cleanser, I've got a toner, a moisturizer. So I'm going to try each one of them and tell you how to go about it. So the first step in your skincare routine is cleansing, using a cleanser. And as its name suggests, what it does is just cleans your skin, deep cleanses your skin. So it's like using a good face wash. So you need to keep a good cleanser in your grooming kit and not use soap. When do you use it? During your shower, at the end of the day, before your gym, after your gym. Just make sure your skin is kept really clean, fresh and hygienic. How do you use it? You just squeeze a couple of drops of your face cleanser onto your skin and lather it onto your skin and then wash it off. So guys, the next step is exfoliation. What is exfoliation? For those of you who don't know, it's basically just scrubbing out all the dead layers of skin. So skin also kind of gathers dead layers, dead cells and dirt and everything on your skin over time. So it's important to scrub it out, to use a scrubbing agent to take it all off, and actually gives your face a much fresher, softer appearance. So I've got a honey exfoliating gel. Okay, so there's lots of exfoliators in the market. Usually an exfoliator has like a hardish little powder inside the gel, which kind of you can use to scrub your face. So I'm just using it, a few pumps onto your hand, and gently with your fingers you are scrubbing your face. So you're not going to do it too hard because you don't want to damage your skin or to get any scratches. So very gently you're doing it over your face. I'm going to show it to you in another video how you exfoliate your face, and then after a couple of minutes you wash your face off with warm water and you'll obviously find a difference in your skin. So make sure you incorporate an exfoliation routine in your skincare a couple of times a week. It's absolutely necessary. Your third step is a toner. A toner is an extremely important step in your skincare routine because it basically sets the skin, it like kind of retains the moisture, it closes the pores and everything. So it tones your skin as its name suggests. So all you need to do for a toner is just use some toner on cotton ball like this and just spread it across your face. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so you use just any cotton ball, that's not too much, and to make sure that the product is spread across your face, and then it is ready for the final step of your skincare routine, which is moisture. After this whole routine, your skin needs some good moisture, which is moisturization. So I've got a nice, either you can use a good moisturizer or you can use a serum or an elixir. So what I've got here is a Gotukola Indian Ginseng facial serum, which is a moisturizing serum. So just obviously use some of it on your face to let your face soak in the moisture after your whole skincare routine. Okay, and you will realize how nice, and your skin is really thirsty and it soaks up all this moisture. Guys, I'm not done just yet. Just before you leave your house or go to work or go to play sports or whatever, the most important stage of your skincare routine is to actually protect it from the sun, because sun damage is possibly one of the worst things for your skin. It causes your skin damage in terms of marks, spots, pigmentation, and even causes you to age very fast. It is important to incorporate a sunscreen in your grooming routine every single day. So I've got a nice moisturizing sun protection gel, so you can do your research on sunscreen lotions and try out which of them suit you. I like to have a sunscreen with a good moisturizer, so it really acts as both a day moisturizer and a sunscreen. And this is basically how I use it. I'm going to spread some across on my palm and then use it on my face just before I step out, but just make sure that all the excesses are rubbed into your skin. So I hope you enjoyed this quick basic video on all the skincare steps that you need to take into account, a basic skincare routine for men. Do share your skincare routine with me. If you have any other requests about grooming videos, please be sure to leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. I'm going to try and respond to each of your comments. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. And till my next grooming video, stay well groomed.